Hello, my name is Vanessa Empinotti and I'm a professor at the Federal University of ABC in São Paulo, Brazil. In the last 15 years, I have been working with water insecurity and water governance in underprivileged communities and in the context of inequality. So when I think about the challenges for the next 20 and 30 years, three questions come to my mind. The first one is about water quality. It concerns me the new industries and new sources of energy and how they have been impacting water quality all over. So this would be one of the questions. The other one, it's about the role of the public and the private sector in guaranteeing access to water for all. So thinking about beyond the economical tools as the only solution to guarantee water access and considering social responsibility for both sectors and how they should act based on that. And finally, another question that concerns me a lot is about the naturalization of inequality and poverty. So in a society where looking at people that don't have water to clean, to drink, to wash, to cook, and understanding it as something natural shows that there is a huge problem. So poverty, inequality, and the lack of access to water by some should be unacceptable. So in order to answer to these challenges, it's important to recognize that the problem of water is not an isolated problem, and its solution should not come isolated too. We should understand that the lack of water is also related to the lack of other rights. So for example, if we think on guaranteeing water access to human needs at the rural areas, we also should think on guaranteeing water for food production, water for food transformation, water for livestock. Also, when we think in the same way in the urban settings, we should understand that in order to solve the problem of water, we also need to relate to the right to housing and the right to land. So the innovation would come through policies that would understand these interactions and promote actions that would mobilize all these issues at the same time and potentialize the response to these problems. In this context, collaboration is key among the different actors, but also as important as it is our capacity of listening. In the last years, it grew a lot, the opportunities for us as individuals to express our ideas and opinions, but we started to forget how to listen to each other and to listen and learn from difference. So individuality became one of the main values behind our actions and reflections. So it's really important to bring back, to rescue, to re-signify the concepts of collectivity, collaboration, and also the fight for common goods and the benefits for all. And these concepts and values should be the foundations for our actions towards guaranteeing water access to all.